Okay, the next experiment is about UART, that is Universal Asynchronous Receive and Transmit. So we will use this communication method and establish a UART communication by using the terminal in your system. We try to download the program onto the ARM processor, execute it, and through that we will use the terminal window here on the system and display the message. So that is the ultimate output. So select the UART. I have the program already which is here. I have the files previously which is added. Add the UART file and close. So no additional files apart from UART.c. It is only for your LCD hex keypad that we will be adding the files. So click on this. It shows the UART program. So these are the basic settings which we have already defined for a UART, that is the asynchronous receive transmit communication that has to be established. And this is your actual program, a small program here. So I'll save it and build the program, build the target. So you can see here it is converting into hex file. It is finished. So there is a warning, so I'll just ignore the warning initially. So next I'll be selecting the FlashMagick tool. So in the FlashMagick tool I have the default program 4. I have assigned it to program 4, so I'll be selecting program 4 and I'll start to download the program. So the program is being downloaded. So in this particular program there is nothing to operate on the kit. It is on the FlashMagick window itself. Okay, it is done now. So what I'll try to do here is, you can find an option called as terminal. So in the tools section you can find something known as terminal. Okay, so COM5 by default it is selected. As I told you, it is a message. So what is the message that is displayed? So let us go back to the program. I'll show you the message. So UART0 send string APSC. APSC is the message. So this line defines what is the message that is being sent. So now if I go to FlashMagick, select tools and terminal, make a note of the COM port and the baud rate. Baud rate should be 9600. No other options to be checked. Just select COM5 port and you can see the message APSC being displayed. You can change the message. You can change it, say APSC. Let me change it to DEPTECE. Okay, this is my new message. I'll save it first, then build it. It is built. Go to FlashMagick again. Let me close this previous terminal window. Start to dump the program again. Download it to the ARM processor. So once that is done, next step is go to tools, select terminal, and just COM port is port 5. It's COM5. It's the same COM port, and you can see the next message APSC DPT ECE. That was the message which I tried to send through UART communication. So this is the output. So we do not need any external devices to check the output. We can check the output on the FlashMagick terminal window itself.